student of class 10th. Today I will teach you matrices exercise 8C. Multiplication of two matrices. So first of all we should know about the rule. How can we multiply two matrices? Dear student, if number of column of first matrix is equal to the number of rows of second matrix, both are same, then it is possible to multiply both matrices. Okay, again I am repeating, it is possible to multiplication of two matrices if the number of column of first matrix is equal to the number of rows of second matrix. So we can multiply both. This is the rule of multiplication of two matrices. Dear student, I am taking one example. P equal to 2104 and Q equal to 3125. Now we have to find PQ. Find PQ. So PQ equal to 2104 into Q means 3125. Now dear student, 2 by 2 and 2 by 2. This is 2 by 2 and this is 2 by 2. So number of column 2, number of row 2, so we can multiply. Now how we will multiply? See, like this we will multiply. Okay, 2 into 3 plus 0 into 1. 0 into 1. This thing you have to keep it in mind. 2 into 3. Okay, then 0 into 1. A1, 1. Now 2 into 2 plus 0 into 5. Okay, now this into this. 2 into 2 plus 0 into 5. A12. For A21, this 1 into 3 plus 1 into 3 plus 4 into 1, then 1 into 1 4 and 2 5, again 1 into 2 plus 4 into 5. Now it is equal to 6 plus 0, 4 plus 0, 2 to the 4 plus 0, 1 3 the 3 plus 4 and 2 plus 2 in the 2, 4 5 the 20. It is 6 7 4 22. This is the answer. A equal to matrix 1 3 2 4, B equal to 6 1 1 1 and C equal to minus 2 0 minus 3 1. So we have to find here AB. AB means A into B. We have to find AB, BA, AC, CA, BC, CB. So 1 3 2 4 into 6 1 1 1, then 1 this into this, 1 into 6 plus 2 into 1. This is first. Okay, A11 is, and now then this 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1. Now 3 into 6, 3 into 6, 3 3 into 6 plus 4 into 1, then 3 into 1, 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1. Now dear student, it is equal to AB equal to 6 plus 2, 18 plus 4, 1 plus 2, 1 on the 1, 2 plus 2 on the 2, 3 on the 3 plus 4 on the 4. Then it is 8, 22, 3, 7. This is the answer. Dear student, we have to find BA. B into A. B 6, 1, 1, 1 into 1, 3, 2, 4. Again, dear student, we will multiply how this into this. 6 into 1, 6 into 1 plus 1 into 3. This like this. Like this, okay? 6 into 1 plus 1 into 3. 1 into 3. Then 6, 1, 2, 4. 6 into 2 plus 1 into 4. This plus this and this. Two elements. Now dear students, this into this means 1 into 1 plus 1 into 3, then 1 into 2 plus 1 into 4. Now BA equal to 6 plus 3, 1 plus 3, 6 to the 12 plus 4, 2 plus 4, it is 9, 4, 16, 6. This is first part, okay, completed. Part of question number 1, A square. So A square can be written as A into A. So A 1, 3, 2, 4, okay, into again 1, 3, 2, 4. Now you will multiply this into this. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3. First A11, then A12. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4. 2 into 4. Okay. Then 3 into 4. 3 into 1 plus 4 into 3. 4 into 3. Then 3 into 2 plus 4 into 4. A square equal to 1 plus 6, 3 plus 12, 2 plus 8, 6 plus 16. It is now 7, 15, 10, 22. This is the answer. Now B into CBC. B C equal to 6, 1, 1, 1 into minus 2, 0, minus 3, 1. It is, now we will multiply 6 into minus 2. Now plus 1 into 0. Then 6 into minus 3 plus 1 into 1. Now 1 into minus 2, 1 into minus 2 plus 1 into 0. Then 1 into 2 minus 17 plus 4 into minus 2. So A into BC equal to minus 12 minus 4 minus 36 minus 4 to the 8 minus 17 1 the 17 2 to the 4 but minus 4, it is minus 51 minus 8. Now minus 16 minus 44 minus 21 and minus 59. This is A into BC equal to this.